because he wants to swap. Hold that inside rein. Yes, right there is perfect. Yes. Now you bring him in here. Stay the same here. Deep corner, deep corner. Now lengthen your reins and gallop. Gallop! Good, go! That's it, Robert. Okay, concentrate. Concentrate. Slow down a little bit now. Look where you're going. Right hand off the neck and look where you're going. Good. Hold that left rein and right leg. Yes. Give him a big pat, Robert. Feel a big difference there, huh?
Totally. I need to get some new half shafts because my right